Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the match cut box edit on CapCut PC. It's pretty simple. I just have these two articles because I'm not really bothered to look for more. But obviously you're going to I'm just going to place the other one on top just so that I can kind of see like the size of the words. I'm also going to kind of zoom in on the word that I want to highlight, which is Taylor Swift here. And then here as well, I'm also going to adjust the opacity so that I can kind of match them together as much as I can. I know the font's going to be super different, but I'm just going to try to match it as much as I can. Like that's a little bit too big. I think this one's good. So I'm just going to place it next to that. Oops. And then for the highlight, you're just going to add like a color on top. I'll just like use this pink one maybe and freeze frame that. And I'm going to also go to mask, rectangle, and I'm just going to mask the name to really highlight it. Go back to basic and adjust the opacity. You can also change the blend mode to see, okay, maybe this one looks a little bit better. But you're going to basically just get more articles with the name or the word that you want to highlight. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.